Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this look here. I bought the Morphe like Boss Mood. I think it's called Boss Mood. The Morphe Boss Mood palette. Probably like a month ago or whatever. Whenever it came out, I got the palette and I was, inspired to create this green look here. I literally just bought the palette specifically for like the green shades that were in there because they were so pretty and I like many of the greens that I had seen before. So I was like, yes, absolutely need to add this to my collection. So we did that, scooped it, came up with this look here. If you want to see how to achieve this, and if you want to try some greens out because they're very on trend right now. So if you want to see how to achieve this look here, then keep on watching. Alrighty, we are primed and ready to go. Going straight in with Stroke of Luck from the Morphe Boss Mood palette. I'm going to take this and this will be my transition color. We're just going to go in with that shade and build it up as much as possible to get the color intensity that we want. Next, I'm going to go in with Express Yourself right up underneath there to start creating a nice gradation. Working that through the crease and on the outer corner of the eyelid. Sorry, I'm out of focus. Welcome to my life. Focus. And then taking the same shade on a more densely compacted brush just to intensify the colors there, to give us more depth and dimension. With a little, little dance. Work it out. That's how we do here. Back to blending and building. Two different bees. Alright, after that, I'm just blowing out the edges and diffusing them real nice, like going back in with the first shade that we went in with, which was Stroke of Luck. And also putting it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going with the deeper green, which was Express Yourself, and putting that on the lower lash line. Going in with Green with Envy. I'm going to put that on the outer third of my eyelid area and just kind of rounding it out towards the base and then sweeping it on the lower third of my lash line, just giving us some nice shape here, and then blending out those edges. And then taking a little bit more of that color just to add more depth to the crease, to give us a more defined line for whenever I go in and precisely cut leg crease with some concealer later on. Making sure everything is nicely built and blended. Yeah. Adding more, I don't know what's happening, sorry. Adding more depth on the outer corner, and then going in with my Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer and Butterscotch and cutting that crease like we never cut anything before. Nice and sharp, crisp, clean edges. After that, I'm going to take bold moves on a flat brush and just pack that where we just freshly cut that crease. Giving us some nice shimmer and shine. And then making sure I blend it with the outer color, and then going back in to re-emphasize that depth and darkness that we had originally with Green with Envy. And then I want it to be a little more sparkly, so I took the same shade, sprayed my brush with a little setting spray, and packed on some more of that Bold Moves shade. And then work that into the inner corner as well. Alright, moving to the face, I'm going to add some Clean Colors bronzer to my face. Is in the shade Luna Matte, just to add some warmth to my face as I dance, per usual. What is new? And then after that, I'm going to take my Spice Market blush palette. This is by Sephora collection. And take the highlight shade that is in there and use that as my cheek and brow bone highlight. Also take that a little bit in my inner corner as well, just to brighten it up a bit more. And then a little bit on my nose. And then just slightly shading my nose to bring the dimension back to it. And then after that, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris lip gloss in Caramel Solo. And I thought I needed a little bit of blush, so I'm going back into the Spice Market palette, adding blush to my cheeks. And yeah, that will complete this here look. Oh, and I felt like my highlighter was kind of going away, so I re-emphasized it later on to bring back the original shine. Also decided to put some highlight on the center of my lips. And this is actually the finished look. I was a little ahead of myself. Last looks. Cheese. Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I super love this look. I'm all about colors. And, you know, I haven't really played with too many greens. So, I'm super happy about this. Actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, but anyways, super love this look. It's for sure a vibe. It's very fall. Yeah, very fall. Leaves falling, changing colors. All of that good stuff. If you like this video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching and dealing with my shenanigans in the process as I get through this recording situation, because I'm still trying to figure it out. Sometimes I'll be out of frame and out of focus, but you know, we're getting better each and every day. So thanks for riding with me. And yeah, let me know if you like this look. Leave some comments down in the comment section below. Suggestions of looks you want to see next. Or just say, hey, you know, anything. I like comments. So yeah, thanks for that. And yeah, that's all I have for you. Feel free to follow me on Instagram if you would like. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.